Okay, this is a crime scene, and we have found the criminal. The criminal is this one. This is a criminal, and his name is Mumu. And what did he do, the little criminal? When I wake up, this is what I see in the crime scene. Little Mumu has spread his poo-poo all over the place and newspapers and torn up the place. And not only has he poo-pooed all over the place, he's also smeared the poo-poo. Now take a look at this close-up of the smeared poo-poo scene. Isn't that incredible? This is what this little monster can do in one day in a nice clean kitchen. Now let's go to the other side of the crime scene. Now let's get a close-up of the little criminal again. There he is, the little criminal trying to act innocent and cute and nice so he doesn't get punished. Look at the little criminal trying to look cute. Well, it's not going to work this time. Bad Mumu. Bad Mumu. Why are you shaking your tail? Bad Mumu. Naughty Mumu. That is the criminal. Apprehended, caught, and put in jail. That's the jail.